How's everybody doing? Alfred Flores, CEO, President of New Age Electric. We are going to talk specifically about shared and dedicated neutrals per Chicago Electrical Code 2018 edition. If you guys do not have access to the book is also found free to view on chicago.gov's website, and we're going to jump into it. So first off, if you do not own the book, you can view this anytime you want for free. Full text view only. As soon as you press this, another window will pop up and you can start referencing the book. Now, the question is dedicated neutrals required per Chicago Electrical Code? Short answer is no, they are not. And it's a little tricky, and I'm going to jump to the first article in the book, which is Article 200, Use and Identification of Grounded Conductors. Now, in order to answer this first part of the questions, are dedicated neutrals required? Now, if you read the book front and back, you will catch this. 200.4 neutral conductors. This is where somebody will say, yes, it is required. It says it right here. And I would agree, but you have to continuously read on to the other chapters, and there are keywords in here that kind of give you a hint to start looking at other articles if it's telling you to reference something else. So here it's saying neutral conductors shall be installed in accordance with 200.4 A and B. A is installation. Neutral conductors shall not be used for more than one branch circuit, for more than one multi-wire branch circuit, or for more than one set of ungrounded feeder conductors unless specifically permitted elsewhere in this code. Where more than one neutral conductor associated with different circuits and is an enclosure, ground circuit conductors of each circuit shall be identified or grouped to correspond with the ungrounded circuit conductors by wire markers, cable ties, or similar means in at least one location within the enclosure, and then always read these exemptions. Here's the tricky part that they put this in this code, is the permitted elsewhere in this code. Now, this particular section they're referring to, are they talking about, is branch circuits. So now I'm going to jump over to the other one. The other article itself, which is Article 210, branch circuits. Now, as soon as you start this up, you're going to see multi-wire branch circuits, general. Branch circuits recognized by this article shall be permitted as multi-wire circuits. A multi-wire circuit shall be permitted to be considered as multiple circuits. All conductors of a multiple branch circuits shall originate from the same panel, board, or similar distribution equipment. And then we have to reference the A, B, and C disconnecting means. Each multi-wire branch circuit shall be provided with the means that will simultaneously disconnect all ungrounded conductors at the point where the branch circuit originates. So this is telling you that if you do a 3-wire network on there, so you got 3-phase panel and you're using A, B, and C and a shared neutral, basically that branch circuit from wherever it originates, so we're going to say the breaker itself has to basically disconnect all voltage to all the other circuits itself. So if it's 1, 3, and 5, that breaker itself should disconnect from everything. How do you do that? There's 2 different ways you could do it. From my understanding is you could have 3 single breakers, and then you can have basically like a tie, a steel tie that they make. So that way you put it on there and it clips all together, 3 breakers. So you're telling whoever's in that panel itself that it's going to flip all 3 at once. So if it's sharing, a neutral somewhere down the line, there's no more current going to be actually going through that. The other way is to do a 3-pole breaker itself, and then you just basically disconnects all the things. So C, line and neutral multi-wire breakers shall supply only one line and neutral loads. And then grouping, I references back to disconnect means the ungrounded and grounded circuit conductors of each multi-wire branch circuit shall be grouped in accordance with 200.4b. So he goes reference back over here. So if you're looking to see if this is a requirement in Chicago itself, the short answer is no, it is not. Why I say the short answer is because if you are an owner or an engineer and you guys are working together within your building and you do not want nothing shared, no neutral shared, totally up to you. It is not required by code, and I always tell everybody that the code is the minimum requirements that they want to set for electrical code, and you could go above and beyond that, which, dedicated neutrals, I mean, it's fine. It's more money to do something like this, but it's what it's going to be on the preferred jobs from years from now. It's that they always want dedicated neutrals going on. So, yeah. So, are dedicated neutrals required? It is not required per the City of Chicago 2018 electrical code. Hey guys, any other questions? Let me know. And drop a comment and subscribe. There'll be more of these coming up soon. Thank you for watching.